Hello everyone, welcome to Jazz Robotics. This is a video series for Jazz Robotics Sensor Kit. In this series, I am going to be covering 15 basic lessons. Very soon, I'll release video series for 50 plus Arduino projects that you can do yourself at home using Jazz Robotics Sensor Creativity Board. So please like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss. To get most out of this series, I would recommend it to follow and the links are in the description section of this video. Today we are going to be covering the first part of 15-part sensor kit series. The topic is using an RGB LED in circuits. In this lesson, we'll go step by step and cover the following points. First, we'll start with a quick introduction to the project. Then we'll see the components required. After that, we'll understand the circuit diagram and wiring. Next, we'll walk through the Arduino code for controlling RGB LED. We'll also run a simulation demo before moving to manual connections on a breadboard. Later, we'll implement the same project on Sensor Creativity board where all the connections are already provided. Finally, we'll test the complete working and conclude the project. Starting with introduction, an RGB LED is a special type of LED that can emit red, green and blue light. By mixing these three colors in different intensities, we can create a wide range of colors. This makes RGB LED very versatile. They are used in decorative lighting, status indicators and even in electronic projects where you want colorful visual effects. Now that we know what an RGB LED is, let's see what we need to perform this project. For this project, we'll need microcontroller like an Arduino which will control the LED, a common cathode RGB LED. This is the LED that has three colors in a single package. A breadboard, jumper wires. This will make connections without soldering. A power supply which can be USB connection from our computer to a battery to power the circuit. These are the basic components we need to get started. Let's look at the circuit diagram and how to make the connections of our RGB LED project. To connect the LED, we attach the common cathode to ground, then connect the red, green and blue pins to PWM cable pins on the Arduino, that is pins 9, 10 and 11. Finally, we power the Arduino via USB or battery. Once connected, we can write a simple program to control the LED and mix colors by changing intensity of red, green and blue. Let's quickly go through the Arduino code for controlling our RGB LED. At the top, we define 3 pins for red, green and blue for the pins 9, 10, 11. In the setup function, we start serial communication so we can see messages in the serial monitor and set all the 3 pins as output. The loop function is where the magic happens. We call a custom function setColor with different RGB values to display colors like red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta and then turn the LED off. Each color stays for 1 second using the delay 1000 milliseconds function. The setColor function uses analog write function to control the brightness of each color channel, allowing us to mix colors and create a wide range of effects. Finally, we print messages to the serial monitor so we can track which color is currently displayed. This code creates continuous color cycle, making your RGB LED come alive with multiple colors. Now let's look at the simulation demo of connections are made exactly as shown in the circuit diagram. The common cathode of LED is connected to ground and red, green and blue pins are connected to 9, 10, 11 on the Arduino respectively. Once the wiring is complete, we upload the Arduino code on the board. This is the exact same code which we have seen earlier. The code uses the setColor function to control the intensity of each color channel. As soon as the program runs, LED starts displaying different colors in sequence: red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta and then turns off. Each color stays on for 1 second and this cycle repeats continuously. On the serial monitor, we can see messages showing that current color and its RGB values, which helps us track what's being displayed. We can also experiment to create our own colors, making LED display any color combinations that we want. This demo clearly shows how RGB LEDs can be controlled using Arduino and how we can mix colors dynamically.
Now let's look at the manual connections and how the circuit works. On the breadboard, common cathode pin of RGB LED is connected to ground. The red, green and blue pins are connected to pins 9, 10, 11 on the Arduino using jumper wires. When we upload the code, the Arduino controls LED by adjusting the brightness of each color channel. Now let's upload the code and connect it to Arduino and let us see what happens. Now we have uploaded the code. As we can see, the LED cycles through each color continuously. This allows LED to show red, green, blue as well as mixed colors like yellow, cyan and magenta. And as well, serial monitor shows corresponding RGB values for each color, so we can see which color is active at any time. This demonstrates the working of an RGB LED and how color mixing can be done with simple connections and code.
Now let's match the LED output with the code and console messages. When the program starts, LED first glows red and in serial monitor we can see the message color red R255G0B0. Next LED changes to green. Console shows green R0 G255B as 0. Then turns blue. Message shows blue R0 G0 B255. As the cycle continues, LED displays yellow, cyan, magenta and for each one exact RGB values are printed on serial monitor. Finally, LED switches off and console shows color off. This way LED colors and console messages stay in synchronized, making it easier to understand how the program controls RGB LED.
Now let's move to the sensor creativity board demo. In this board, multiple sensors and components are integrated together, making it very convenient to testing and learning. Instead of wiring everything separately on a breadboard, the creativity board provides ready-made connections for LEDs, sensors and other modules. When we connect the board to the Arduino, we can directly use the RGB LED section. Now I'm connecting Arduino to sensor creativity board. After this, we can connect RGB LED directly without any connections. Now in the same way, we have to upload the code and let's see what happens. Here, as soon as we uploaded the code, LED started glowing. Advantages of using this sensor creativity board is that easy prototyping, compact design, less error prone, beginner friendly and versatile use.
Part. This project helps us demonstrate how an RGB LED works and how it can be controlled using an Arduino. By connecting LED to PWM pins, we are able to create different colors by adjusting the intensity of red, green and blue. We also learned how to use serial monitor to display messages along the LED output, making it easier to track colors being displayed. This project demonstrates basics of engineering, coding and color mixing, and it lays the foundation for more advanced projects such as decorative lights, indicators, or interactive systems. Thank you for watching.